Namaskar. I have inherited love for riding and have my share of few thousand kilometers across the country in different vehicles like hand gear Fiat to few modern motorcycles. During these riding experiences, what I have noticed is itinerary, plan, and how many kilometers you are going to ride today and how is it going to be, that are important. But amidst that, what is the most cherishable and most memorable moments are the breaks or pit stops during the ride. The breaks or pit stops are not only necessary for the vehicle you are driving, but also for you. The life says similar story. You may be from any field of work. You may be a student, you may be an artist, you may be an accountant, you may be a scientist, you may be a doctor. You surely would have plan for lives. You would have strategies how to move forward. You would surely have the execution into process, and you are watching closely over it how things are moving. At some times you are happy with the things moving. At some times you are not so happy and wanting things to move more, and you feel that everything what you could do, all prioritizing things, all planning, all kind of execution is going well, but things are not working out. That is the time where we realize that somehow that's a tunnel vision. Do we take a break? Do we take a kind of break and pause and see what is happening? But there the fear comes is that if I take a break, would I be able to achieve what I am wanting to do with the same speed what I am wanting? Sometimes during this riding I have realized that some unplanned breaks, unplanned pit stops, they make you more filled with what is necessary for the path ahead. Similarly, in life, breaks are important. They are rejuvenating for the body, definitely, but for your emotions, for your intellect also. You will be filled with fresh ideas, passion, energy, and creativity with whatsoever field you are into. These breaks are empowering. These pit stops are empowering. And beyond that pit stops, you would see that you would cruise through your issues in life, issues with work, in a better manner. It's like, remember, while climbing a mountain, do not forget to pause and see what's the beauty around. Just climbing would get you bored at a point of time. Wait, take a break, let your muscles relax, enjoy the scene around, and that will give you strength to reach the summit. So breaks are important. Do not fear of missing upon things during breaks. They would surely pay back more than what you could give them during the breaks. So take breaks more often, make the journey more fulfilled, more cherished, and more meaningful. This is what I wanted to share with you from my experiences on this Emotional Wellness Saturdays. If you are watching this for the first time, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get notifications whenever we are here with a new vlog upon physical health or mental health. Like us on the Facebook and Instagram platforms. We go by the name Tathya Clinic. Do comment your issues in life where you feel stuck. We will surely try and help you with that. Thank you so much.